Okay, so hello students, very good morning to all of you. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to telling you about your subject enrichment activity for your PA examination. Okay, so students, as you know, on a 30th of July, you have to send your video related with your subject science. Okay, so what will be your topic of your subject enrichment activity and how you have to perform your activity? These all things I'm just going to telling you in this video. Okay, so let's start to know all of things. Okay, so firstly I would like to tell you students what will be your topic. So students, your topic will be so identification of acid and base by using natural indicator. Okay, so students, as you know, your second chapter belong to the acid and bases. So therefore identification of acid and bases basic substance we use generally indicator, and indicators are generally two types, that are the natural indicator and artificial indicators. Clear? So you have to show in your video by using natural indicator. So generally in your house natural indicator found, that is the turmeric. Mostly turmeric is available in everyone's house. Clear? So how you have to perform this activity? Firstly, after introducing yourself and wishing the teachers, you have to tell in a first step, you have to tell what will be the what is the your object. Okay, and then after you have in a second step you have to tell which the object which are required for your activity. Okay, so for this activity you have to take this one object. I have taken here. You can take object in any container, any attractive container, means you just try to show your activity very effective, as much as creative you can think you can perform. Okay, here I'm just giving you only the idea, you just catch up the idea and also you use your mind and you show your activity well. Okay, now for this activity, you how you have to perform, I'm using here these all the substance. So as a natural indicator I have here using the turmeric. You can also take a turmeric, you can keep turmeric in any container. Okay, now you need for this activity also white paper, and you also need one brush. You need any detergent which is available in your house, detergents. Okay, and then after you have to take any substance, lemon. Okay, so this here you have to seeing here these all object you are requiring for the performing this activity. You have taken the lemon, you have taken the detergent, you have taken the turmeric, which is the natural indicator. Clear? Now in the third step you have to show your procedure. So for the procedure you need the water for this activity. These all the object you have to show in your video. Now what you have to do, firstly you have to take this turmeric and add some water on it. Yeah, add some water on it and place and make the paste of it. Okay, आप क्या करेंगे, you have to take a spoon and with the help of a spoon you have to add some water on it. Okay, as I have taken, use and make the paste of the turmeric. Clear? Turmeric is the during the timing of performing your procedure also you have to tell turmeric is the natural indicator which are using to identify substance are acid or a bases. Clear? So you have to make the paste of the turmeric. Okay, now what in the second step what you have to do, this paste you have to use this paste in a white paper. Clear? So you just take the white paper as I have taken here and you just color, you just spread this turmeric paste on it. So what will be happen, this will be the yellow color. Okay, you this is a big paper, you can take any small paper also, small than this. Okay, also when you performing the paper should be dry, so you just take any On the paper you have to color with the turmeric paste as I am doing here. Clear? All the things you have to ready for in the timing you are performing your activity. Clear? And listen student, this is the very important activity because of the chapter acid and bases is very important for your board exam also. And natural indicators, related indicators questions generally comes in your exam. Okay. So as I have pasted here, I have colored this white paper. So what are you watching here? This colors turn into the yellow color. Okay. Then this you have to wash this brush with the help of a water. You have to keep container. These all the activities should be shown in your video also. Okay. After cleaning this and after drying it, you have to dry. You have to also tell after that I am drying this paper. Okay. Now in the third step you have to take detergent powder. Okay, and you add some drop of a water on it as I am adding. Clear? Some drop of a water, and then after what you have to do, making the solution of detergent, and then use this detergent in this yellow paper. Then which type of a color you will be found, you just see. Okay, you can make any diagram in this yellow paper, any draw like I have made here, and a flower. You can make any diagram, any greeting and designs, any drop you can make any design as I am making here. Okay. So what are you watching here? The color is changed. And using the detergent on the yellow color means when the detergents come in contact of a turmeric. So what will be happen? Here the color is changed. Okay. Are you watching? The color is changed by using detergents. So this is your activity. Means your second step of your activity procedure. You can make any beautiful design in your yellow paper, in the turmeric pasted paper. Okay, as I have made here. Any design, simple design, you can make any design. Okay. Now then again you wash this brush. Okay. So firstly you show all your procedure. Then after observation and conclusion you have to tell at the last of the video. Okay. Now you use the lemon. You can take the lemon juice in any container also. I have taken a directly lemon here. You just keep this lemon juice in any small container. Here. So I have taken this here. I am using the lemon. Yeah, you directly use the lemon and you add here the lemon drop. So what will you find here? What are you watching here, students? On using the lemon drop, the color of detergent, okay, that was a red color. It is just reverse and come into the yellow color once again. Okay, here two substances you are using in the turmeric paper, that is the lemon or a detergent. Okay, so this is your procedure. And now what is your observation? Observation is that when using that turmeric paper, when you use detergents, then this will be the paper will be turned into the red color in the part where the detergents is used. Okay, and then after when you use the lemon in that part, then what will be happen? The red color will be faded and the paper will turn again in the yellow color. Okay, this is your observation, and at the last you have to tell your result. What is the result? The detergent which are in contact of a turmeric, which is the indicator, natural indicator, it's give a red color. So when we use natural indicator turmeric, then all the basic substance give the red color, and that's why the detergent which are using in our house, that is the basic substance. And the lemon, when we use the lemon juice in this turmeric paper, so in contact of the turmeric, all the acidic substance give no any color, means the turmeric is a yellow color, so it is also back to the yellow color, means when acid substance is used in a turmeric, then only yellow color, that is of turmeric, is found. So this you have to say, then this substance or this lemon is the acid. Okay, as this activity you can perform your best. Okay, I have given the idea, you just perform your activity well, and at last you have to thank you, and you have to do a thanks and have a nice day to all of you. You have to tell this and end of your activity. You have to end your activity by saying thanks and have a nice day to all of you. Okay, now students, I have told all the things all about of your science enrichment activity. If you unable to understand, by watching my video, whatever you have to do, so you can call me, so I will explain what you have to do. Okay, so this is all about of my video. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.